Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This is a brand new channel, and what I'm sharing here can help you. First, a little background about myself. 35 years ago, I had cancer, and I had a heart arrhythmia. And the cancer I took care of with surgery. The heart arrhythmia, on the other hand, the doctors were totally stumped. They had no idea why it had developed or what the origins were. At any rate, at that time, with those challenges, I started to look differently at life. And one of the things that I pursued at the time was a study of energy healing. And it was energy healing therapy that cured my heart arrhythmia, which has now been gone for 35 years. So my studies have taken me to many, many different modalities of the energy healing arts. And here on this channel, I intend to share them with you. These times in history, challenges are coming at us so very quickly. The stresses are undeniable and all-consuming at times. And you're stressed, right? I'm stressed. And these practices help to keep us centered in a calm, harmonious demeanor. So, I would like to share them with you. These same techniques are the ones that healed me in the past, even a heart arrhythmia, and I am certain that they will help you. The biggest thing about stress is it's deeply embedded in our energies, and we can intelligently shift those energies to calm the stress. We can even retrain our bodies, our nervous systems, not to react in stress mode for every challenge we encounter. So this is what I intend to show you here on this channel. So please join me. I hope to see you here.